If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly app to restore old and blurry images, Remini is a top choice. Using advanced AI algorithms, it can bring your cherished photographs back to life by enhancing details and improving overall quality. With its intuitive interface, cloud storage integration, batch processing, and strong focus on privacy and security, Remini makes image restoration a breeze. Trust Remini to revive your precious memories effortlessly and preserve them for future generations. I know that nowadays, for doing such work, there are many AI websites on internet, but why I don't use them, and why I use Remini, because I use all of them. Among them, none of the websites can give such perfect results. That's why I use it. So, further ado, let's remove blurriness from an image by using Remini. Go to Play Store. Then search an application named as Remini. Install the application. After installation, open it. Press the cross icon if you don't want to purchase any plan. Then select the image, which quality you want to enhance. Press on Enhance. This app is so popular that millions of users are active on this app all the time, so sometimes such error may appear. So don't worry, just click on this option of OK, got it, then try again in the similar way. Boom! See the magic? What a super-duper crispy, sharp beard has been made. It's not possible for anyone to guess that. This is an edited and AI-modified picture. See the sharpness. And I know that this app's AI technology gave me more accurate result. I use tons of websites which are upscale and enhance image by using the latest AI technology, but none of them can give me this type of sharp result. That's why I can prefer you Remini without any hesitation. So don't waste more time. Subscribe now our YouTube channel for an endless stream of captivating content.